Right, I'm now going to change or remove the front tyre. First of all, I'll go remove the wheel, obviously. It's slightly off balanced at the minute because the rear wheel is still currently removed. So basically, to remove the front wheel, quite straightforward. Just undo this nut here. Remove the washer. Could do with 3 hands here really, but slide the bolt all the way through. Watch the wheel don't drop. I've now carefully remove the speedo. So I pulled the speedo off the wheel just here. Carefully slide it down through the disc pads and basically easy as that. Again, when refitting, reverse order using the correct torques.